In this exercise, we'll organize some content using categories and tags. Our objectives for this exercise are to create a new vocabulary for robotics products, create new categories within the vocabulary, add categories and tags to your assets, and connect assets using related assets. The steps we will take to accomplish this are create a vocabulary for Marvin Robotics products, add the robotic machines category, add additional categories, add a subcategory, categorize the content in the product assets library, add tags to content in the product assets library, and finally, add related assets to content in the asset library. We also have several bonus exercises. Create a vocabulary for the technical documents asset library. Add categories for manuals, demonstrations, and warranties. We won't cover this exercise in this video, but feel free to complete it on your own when you've completed the main exercise steps. Our first step is to create a vocabulary for Marvin Robotics products. Open the global menu. Under the Content section of the Applications tab, click Asset Libraries. Open the Product Assets Asset Library, and click Categories under the Categorization section. Click the Add button next to Vocabularies. Type Robotics Products for the name, then type the vocabulary for organizing all Marvin Robotics products as the description. Click Save, and press OK in the pop-up. Next, we'll add a category for robotics machines. Click on the robotics products vocabulary if you are not already in it. Then, click the Add button near the top right. Type robotic machines as the name, and click Save. We'll now be adding some additional categories to our robotics products vocabulary. Click the Add button again near the top right. Type spare hardware as the name, then click Save and add a new one. Type controllers for the name, and then click Save and add a new one. Now type electronic components as the name, and click Save. You should now see 4 categories in the robotics products vocabulary. Now we'll add a subcategory under robotic machines for robotic arms. Click the robotic machines category. Click the Add button, and type in robotic arms as the name. Click Save. Now that we've finished adding categories to our vocabulary, we will go ahead and categorize some of the content we uploaded in the previous exercise. Open the global menu. Go to Asset Libraries under the Content section of the Applications tab. Click the Product Assets Asset Library. Alternatively, you can click the Product Assets link in the breadcrumb menu at the top of the page. Open Documents and Media in the Content and Data section. Select the CSM robotic gearbox image. At the top, click the Categories icon, the 2 tags that appear in the top right. Click Select next to the Robotics Products field. Choose the Spare Hardware category to highlight it. Now click Done at the bottom right, and click Save. Click the Tags icon, the 1 tag beside the Categories icon. Type spare parts, replacements in the tags field. The comma should separate each word or phrase into its own tag. Alternatively, you can press Enter after each tag is typed. Now click Save. Select all TS2 images. Now click the Tags icon. Type TS2 in the Tags field. Click Save. Next, we'll categorize all our images of robotic arms. Click Clear at the top beside the number of images selected to deselect all images. Select all robotic arm images. We have 3 selected in total. Click the Categories icon. Click Select next to the Robotics Products field. Click the plus sign beside robotic machines to expand the subcategories. Choose the Robotic Arms category to highlight it. Click Done at the bottom right. Now click Save. Finally, we'll add some asset relations to the TS2-40 robotic machine. Click the Options menu, the 3 dots, on the TS2-40 robotic machine image. Choose Edit. Scroll down and click Related Assets to expand the section. Click Select. Choose Basic Document. Check the boxes by TS2-40 Programming Graphic and TS2-40 Manual Image. Click Done. Now scroll to the bottom and click Publish.